Welcome to Carbike Junction Pro Reviews, your go-to source for the latest automobile insights. Today, we bring you an in-depth review of the Maruti Suzuki Eeco 2025, a versatile van designed for both personal and commercial use. Let's explore its key features, performance, and why it continues to be a popular choice. Design and exterior. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco maintains its boxy yet functional design, offering improved aerodynamics and a refreshed front grille. With a high ground clearance and sliding doors, it ensures ease of access, making it ideal for both cargo and passenger transportation. The new LED headlamps and modernized bumper add a contemporary touch to its rugged appeal. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Eeco gets a practical yet upgraded cabin. The dashboard now features a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system, and enhanced fabric upholstery. The spacious layout provides comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, while the dual-tone interior gives it a premium feel compared to its predecessors. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Eeco 2025 is powered by a reliable 1.2 Lk series petrol engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. It also comes with a CNG variant for eco-conscious buyers. The van offers a smooth driving experience, with improved suspension and a better steering response for city commutes and highway drives. Safety and features. Maruti Suzuki has enhanced safety in the Eeco by including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system as standard. The reinforced body structure ensures better crash protection, making it a safer choice for families and businesses alike. Pricing and final verdict. The Maruti Suzuki Eeco 2025 continues to be an affordable and practical option in its segment. With a starting price that remains budget-friendly, it caters to small business owners, fleet operators, and families looking for a reliable multi-purpose vehicle. If you need a van that's economical, spacious, and fuel-efficient, the Eeco is a solid choice. For more such reviews, subscribe to Carbike Junction Pro Reviews and stay updated with the latest automobile trends. See you in the next video.